Looking for the best AV receivers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Onkyo TX-NR6100. While it's our fifth pick, it's still a great option for those on a budget. It stands out with its THX certification, which guarantees top-quality audio performance. This 7.2-channel AV receiver delivers 100 watts per channel and supports immersive audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X in a 5.2.2 setup. The sound is rich and clear, with features like Dolby Surround and DTS Neural X to improve older content. The Onkyo TX-NR6100 also has advanced video capabilities, with HDMI 2.1 inputs that support 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, making it perfect for gaming and future-proofing your system. Features like variable refresh rate, VRR, and auto low latency mode, ALLM, reduce lag and stuttering during gaming. The receiver is built with a durable brushed aluminum front panel and well-organized rear connections. For wireless connectivity, it offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth with aptX HD, Chromecast, and AirPlay 2, making it easy to stream music and control multi-room audio. Number 4. Denon AVR-X1800H. The AVR-X1800H impresses with its modern features and excellent performance, making it a strong choice for home theater enthusiasts. Its 7.2-channel amplifier delivers 80 watts per channel, 8 ohms, 20 Hz to 20 kHz, 0.8% THD, 2 channels driven, providing clear and dynamic sound that works well in small to medium-sized rooms. Dolby Atmos and DTS-X support allow for immersive 3D audio, while the Odyssey Multiple EQ-XT room calibration ensures optimal sound tailored to your space. Video capabilities are equally robust, with support for 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz signals on 3 of its 6 HDMI inputs. Gamers will appreciate features like variable refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, ALLM, and quick frame transport, QFT, for smooth gameplay. The HEOS multi-room system adds versatility, enabling seamless music streaming across compatible devices. Build quality is solid, with a professional design and intuitive controls. Number 3. Sony STR-AN1000. The Sony STR-AN1000 excels with its immersive audio performance and cutting-edge features, making it a standout AV receiver. Its 7.2-channel amplifier delivers up to 165 watts per channel, ensuring powerful and precise sound reproduction. Dolby Atmos and DTS-X support create a 3D audio experience, while Sony's proprietary 360 spatial sound mapping enhances the soundstage for added depth. The inclusion of Digital Cinema Auto Calibration 9 ensures optimal speaker setup by analyzing room acoustics in 3D. This receiver supports 8K video pass-through and 4K per 120 Hz, making it ideal for high-definition content and gaming. HDMI 2.1 compatibility with variable refresh rate, VRR, and auto low latency mode, ALLM, ensures smooth visuals and reduced lag. Connectivity is robust, with 6 HDMI inputs, 2 outputs, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Sonos integration. The build quality is solid, featuring a sleek design with intuitive controls. Number 2. Onkyo TX-RZ50. This is our runner-up pick and delivers an exceptional home theater experience with its 9.2-channel configuration and THX certification, ensuring cinema-quality sound with low distortion. Its support for Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, and IMAX enhanced modes creates a deeply immersive audio environment, while the 120W per channel power output provides robust performance. This receiver excels in video capabilities, offering HDMI 2.1 inputs that support 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz for stunning visuals and smooth gaming experiences. The inclusion of Dirac Live Room Correction optimizes sound for your specific space, enhancing clarity and balance. Multi-zone functionality lets you manage audio and video across multiple rooms, while streaming compatibility with platforms like AirPlay 2, Spotify, and Chromecast adds flexibility. Build quality is premium, featuring isolated circuits to minimize interference and custom components for superior audio fidelity. Number 1. YAMAHA RX-A4A. This is the best AV receiver you can buy on the market and stands out with its exceptional sound quality and robust feature set, making it a top-tier choice for home theater enthusiasts. It's 7. 2-channel configuration, delivering 110W per channel, supports Dolby Atmos and DTS-X for immersive 3D audio. Yamaha's proprietary surround AI technology analyzes content in real time to optimize surround effects, ensuring a dynamic and engaging listening experience. The YPAO room calibration system fine-tunes audio to match the acoustics of your space, enhancing clarity and balance across all channels. This receiver is designed for modern entertainment needs, featuring HDMI 2.1 connectivity with support for 8K per 60Hz and 4K per 120Hz video, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. It includes 7 HDMI inputs and 3 outputs, making it versatile for multiple devices. Gamers will appreciate features like Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM, and Variable Refresh Rate, VRR, for smooth, lag-free gameplay. The RX-A4A is built with durability and performance in mind. Its anti-resonance technology, ART, wedge and H-frame chassis construction minimize vibrations, ensuring stable operation and precise sound reproduction. Audiophile-grade components, including Sabre Premier DACs, contribute to its superior audio performance with a wide dynamic range and low distortion. Setup is straightforward thanks to Yamaha's intuitive interface and MusicCast app, which also enables multi-room audio streaming. So that sums up my top 5 Avenue receivers I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.